Hello my friend, it is I, Vadim, and this arrived today. Viper Blackout DDR4 memory. A total of 4 memory sticks. Yeah, this will be featured in the Blackout PC build that I will be doing on my main channel. But today we are going to open this up and I'll show you what they look like and then put them in my PC to see what they look like inside a system. So let's go. Check it out. Despite this memory being fairly affordable in terms of price, these modules, they look kind of premium. Amazing. And Patriot memory goes in. It's looking good already. And there it is. Full array. It looks kind of cool. Let me give you another angle. I really like how those fins look. Yeah, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. The link to my main channel is in the description below. And I'll see you in the next one.